Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So it's time to do the must-do deals for CVS next week. So these deals are going to start on Sunday the 28th and go through the following Saturday, which is going to be July 4th. So you're going to see a ton of deals going on at CVS and Walgreens for different cookouts, beach gear, things like that. Everything that you're going to need to celebrate 4th of July and have a great time. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be doing another giveaway on my channel here soon. Just trying to put together the final pieces on that, and then I will definitely let you guys know. I also posted on my Instagram, there are some new boosters for next week for Walgreens. So if you don't follow me yet on Instagram, definitely look it up. It's Bree the Coupon Queen. I post some additional one-off deals, some rebates coming, different updates, and digital coupons you're going to want to clip. So let's go ahead and dive into the CVS deals. We are finally getting some hair care coupons. I'm super excited. We haven't really had many coming, so I definitely ordered a ton of coupons. So LOreal hair care is going to be on sale next week, 2 for $8. And there is an instant coupon that's going to be printing at the red box, which just happened to go down at my local CVS. So the only way to get that coupon is at the red box. It's not going to be available in the app or anything to clip. There's also a $3 off of 2 coupon in our Sunday's Retail Me Not insert. With both of those, you're going to pay just $2 for both, or $1 each. And hair care does track towards CVS Beauty. So if you're new to couponing at CVS, every $30 of beauty products you buy, you're going to get an additional $3 beauty buck, and that will hit your account in about 48 hours after you check out. Pantene, this deal is a little different. It's going to be a $2 extra buck when you buy 2. Typically, they do extra bucks when you buy 3, because the only coupon we have available right now is a digital, and it's for $3 off of 3. So this is how you would put together this deal if you're wanting to pick up some Pantene. You would pick up 4 of them. Now, the extra buck offer, as you see here, has a limit of 1. So even though I'm buying 4, I'm only going to get back a $2 extra buck. We're also going to be using a 4 off of 14 Pantene hair care CRT. Then we'll pay $9, get back the $2 extra buck, making our final cost $7 for 4, or $1.75 each, which is not a bad price point. We've definitely gotten it cheaper, $1 or less, but again, we haven't had that many coupons or anything, so if this is something you'd like to grab, I would definitely say do so. And the 16 also tracks towards beauty. Hair color. So this is a different one. I don't think I've posted a hair care deal in months. So if you use Garnier or L'Oreal for hair color, coloring your hair yourself at the house, this is going to be an amazing deal for you. So next week, they are on sale for spend $25, get a $5 extra buck, and both of these are included. So what you can do is pick up 2 of the Garnier Nutrice. I put Fructis, that's a typo. It should be Nutrice. They're going to be $14 for both. And the L'Oreal Preference, that'll be 2 for $17. So your total is going to come to $31, which puts you above the $25, so we're good to go to get that $5 extra buck back. There is a $4 off of 2 Garnier coupon coming in the Retail Me Not insert, and a 5 off of 2 L'Oreal Preference coming in the same insert. Then you'll pay $22. There may be some hair color CRTs floating around. I don't personally buy hair color, so that's why I'm not really aware of any. I don't usually get them. So drop a comment below. Let me know if you've gotten any hair color CRTs that we could add with this deal to make it even better. Without any CRTs, so super beginner friendly, you'll pay $22. Submit it to Fetch Rewards. My account shows 2,000 points for the Garnier Nutrice, and a separate 2,000 points for the L'Oreal Preference. That's going to give you back 4,000 points, or $4. And you're going to get back that $5 extra buck. So now your final cost is $13 for all 4 boxes of hair color, or $3.25 each. And for Fetch Rewards, so if you're not signed up yet, here is my code, J24VT. When you scan your first receipt, you'll get an additional 2,750 points. When you get to 3,000 points, you can cash out for a gift card. And CVS is one of the available gift cards. So that is how I'm able to pay $0 out of pocket every Sunday when I shop at CVS. So just doing this deal, if you do this deal first and you type in that code, you would get back about 6,750 points. Then you can cash that in for a $3 gift card or a $5 gift card. Use that to pay down your out-of-pocket cost for your next deal. Now let's get into some oral care deals. So Colgate, there's a couple different deals going on. So this is just the one that I picked to share with you guys for next week. They are on sale for $3.49 each, and when you buy two, you're going to get a $4.50 extra back. It is a limit of 2, so you can do this deal twice. So what you can do is pick up any 2 of the ones that are included, the max, the 2-in-1, the total, so on and so forth. Then you'll use 2 50-cent coupons we're going to get in our Sunday Smart Source insert. That's what the SS stands for. You'll pay $5.98, get back a $4.50 extra buck, making your final cost $1.48 for both, or 75 cents each. I would say anything under $1 is a great price point for toothpaste. Sometimes we get them free or even moneymaker deals at both CVS and Walgreens, so it just depends. But if you're out of toothpaste, $1.48 for 2 is definitely better than going to Walmart and spending $3 on 1 tube. And to complete your oral care, if you're needing some mouthwash, what you can do, the Colgate is going to be on sale for $3.99. And again, at that red box, we're going to get another instant coupon. This one will be for $2.50 off of this Colgate mouthwash. We're also getting a 50-cent coupon in our Smart Source insert. So using all of those, you're going to pay just 99 cents, which is an amazing, amazing deal. You buy Kotex if you're wanting to stock up on some feminine care products. It says any You Buy Kotex, which is awesome. They're buy one, get one half off with your card, so you have to obviously have a CVS account, and spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. So one thing I put together is grabbing 2 of the ultra thin pads, the 16 count. They're $6.99. The second one would be half off at $3.49. Then the You Buy Kotex teen pads, they are $5.99. This will bring your total right above the $15 mark at $16.47. We are getting a 3 off of 2 You Buy Kotex coupon in our Smart Source insert Sunday. And if you have a 3 off of 10 Kotex CRT or feminine care CRT, you definitely want to add that. A couple other feminine care CRTs that I've gotten in the past would be like a $3 off You Buy Kotex teen CRT, 2 off of 2 feminine wipes, washes, or tampons, pads CRT. Sometimes you'll have like a $2 off You Buy Kotex CRT. So definitely check those. And check your accounts now. So if you have any of those CRTs now, clip them and send them to your card, because if you don't print them or clip them by Saturday at midnight, you'll lose them. Then Sunday, we're going to get a whole nother set of CRTs, and you may be able to combine them. So if you have a $3 off You Buy Kotex teen CRT from last week or this current week, and a $3 one for next week, you can use them both, and that would take off another $6. So stacking CRTs is how we get our price points super low. So final cost, only using the 2 I have listed, is $10.47. Get back a $5 extra buck. Final cost is $5.47 for 3, or $1.82 each. And you're going to want to scan your receipt with this on it to fetch rewards as well. It is a bonus item, and you will get back additional points. Palmolive, the little 10-ounce bottles, are going to be 99 cents next week, and we're getting a 25-cent digital coupon. It says right here, manufacturer's coupon in our app. So final cost is going to be just 74 cents. I put 75, that's a typo. It should just be 74 cents, which is not a bad deal for a nice little bottle of Palmolive. So those are all of the must-do deals for next week. If you have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment, let me know. Walgreens this week was absolutely amazing. I did 2 separate hauls. So if you haven't checked those out, click on either of these 2 videos here. Both of them had super low out-of-pockets using a lot of those digital boosters that I let you guys know to clip to your cards. Next week, we have 2 boosters that I show that I posted on my Instagram. So check your accounts now and get those clipped. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.